What is going on? Today's video is about how to post a Canva design on Instagram. So what we want to do is go to canva.com, and on this page you have different options like social media. Click on that and now we can search through these designs. And as you can see, there are different ones. For now we will type in Instagram. And there is a Instagram post. You can select the format, so the size. For now we would like to use a square post and we will select that. After that you can basically design one yourself, or you can use a template on the left side. Let's say we want to create a coffee shop. And we will search one, and as you can see we have a design over here. And you can basically edit the text, in whatever you want. The best coffee in town. You can also delete some items, whatever you want. You can replace the images. You can select the text and move it a little bit. Once you have done that, you can simply download this. And you can select the file type over here. You can use the PNG type for the best quality. And once you have done that, you can download it. There are different options. As you can see, I have downloaded this design, but you can also click on share and post it by Instagram directly. But you have to download an app on your phone to do this. It's more complicated than basically download just the design. Once we have done that, we will go to Instagram, and as you can see we are logged into our account. On the left side you have a menu and there is a create option. We will click on that, and there you can see post, live video or ad. We would like to make a post, and for now we can select the design. We have downloaded it, and here is your design. Once you have done that and it's loaded in, you can go to next, and you can add some filters or some adjustments to create more brightness or less brightness. You can fade it a little bit, and the saturation can also be changed. You can add a vignette, and once you have done that, you click on next. Now you can add some text like the best coffee shop in town. Add some hashtags, coffee, open, and as you can see we have now added some hashtags. You can also add a location. For now we won't do that. You can add collaborators, the accessibility you can change also, and advanced settings. And you can turn off the comments, hide the likes on your post, like if you don't want to see people are seeing how much likes you got on this post. You can set that also, and once you are done you simply can click on share, and then your image will be posted on Instagram. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!